back to the Whimsical Workshop. In this segment, I want to cover how to take care of your iron and clean it. A lot of times your irons will get residue and build up on the base of them. If you use fusible web at all, you can get some of that on your iron. You'll get water stains sometimes, and they just can get pretty yucky. And there's all kinds of ways to clean your iron. I am not saying that they aren't good ways, I'm just showing you the way I like to clean my iron. I have been using a product called Dritz Iron Off for years. It is a non-toxic cream that you apply to the base of your iron while it is hot. It will smoke, so don't do it under a smoke detector because you will set it off. But I find it's the quickest and easiest way to clean my iron. And so how I do it is I have a piece of batting all wadded up, and I take the cream and I will put the cream onto the batting. And you don't need a whole lot. And then you can do this two different ways. The first way, especially if I have a spot that is really tough to get off of, is to apply it like this. You can see how it's going to smoke for me. The second way, if that makes you too nervous, is you can actually just iron over the batting and it will clean off all the junk on your iron. That being said, my iron doesn't have a lot of junk on the bottom, one, because I clean it a lot, and two, because on this T-Fal Ultra Glide iron, it has a ceramic base, and that keeps stuff from sticking to it, so it will, it doesn't need to be cleaned very often. But that is my favorite way to clean my iron. Another tip for cleaning an iron is you can use a bounce fabric softener or any paper fabric softener, and you can just iron it on to that and it should take off the goo. But I find this much more reliable and much easier to use. So that is how we clean our iron in the studio. And if you have any questions or comments, or you have a favorite way of cleaning your iron, let me know in the comments below.